My name is Mark Ferrante. I'm running for judge in the 6th Judicial Subcircuit, which includes near north of downtown, starting at Kinsey, includes this neighborhood of Ukrainian Village, Bucktown, Wicker Park, Humboldt Park, and all the way north up to Ravenswood, and I live in Roscoe Village. I used to spend a lot of time in this neighborhood. My mother worked down the street at Chicago and Wood at a car dealership for 27 years, so I was actually getting on the bus at 6 years old and coming down to work sometimes to meet my mother. Well, I've been an attorney for 28 years. I actually started at the City of Chicago's law department while I was in college, and then worked there all through law school, taking a lot of night classes so that I could work during the day. And then I became an attorney 28 years ago, and I've been working for the city for the first 3.5 years after law school, and then went into private practice in the plaintiff's personal injury field. And in 1991, I started my own practice doing complex personal injury matters. I work on cases from automobile accidents all the way up to aviation disasters. I worked on the crash that we had at Midway Airport a few years ago, and worked on that for a few years till it settled. Well, I'm a hard worker. To run a solo practice, there's a lot of work involved. Most of my cases take anywhere from 3 to 5 years to conclude, and the trials are very intense in terms of 1 or 2 weeks of actual in-court testimony. So that takes about 2 months of preparation, intense preparation, leading up right before the trial, in addition to the 3 or 5 years before that, as far as working the case up. I think my work ethic and the fact that I've run my own practice for 28 years, which is, as a solo practitioner, it's not always an easy thing to do. I think I'll bring that work ethic and legal knowledge to the bench with me. I'm running the Subcircuit is for a vacancy of a judge that's retired, so there is no sitting judge that I'll be running against. My opponents are a state's attorney, a public defender, and 3 other individuals that are in private practice also. As compared to the other candidates, without saying anything negative about the other candidates, I have 28 years experience. The nearest candidate to me has 20 years of experience. It goes down from there. In terms of qualifications, I've gone through a vigorous judicial screening process twice now with the Chicago Bar Association and 11 other aligned bar associations, and I received the highest ratings as compared to my opponents also. Chicago Bar Association rated me highly qualified, the Hispanic Bar Association, the Puerto Rican Bar Association, the Chicago Council of Lawyers rated me well qualified, and the Decalogue Society also rated me well qualified. I'm single, but I've been dating a woman that I've known for 31 years, believe it or not. We worked together at the city's law department. She recently moved back to Chicago 2 years ago, and we finally had a love connection after 31 years. So I'm really happy with my relationship right now. And even though I don't have children, I've coached ice hockey for 3 years in the Cook County area, and I was on the local school council for 2 years as a community representative at Audubon Elementary School.
And on which ballot are you running?
I'm running in the 6th Judicial Subcircuit, which is just a limited area, as I said, from Kinsey north to Lawrence, the river in Ashland, all the way west to Central. Yes, there is no Republican opponent in this, or no Republican ticket in this primary race.
And is there a punch number?
Yes, my punch number is, if you're ready to write this down, is 182.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for taking the time to interview me. I really appreciate it.